If you want to take a screenshot on Redmi A7 Pro, then we have many ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use the power button and volume down button at the same time. If you press both of these buttons at once, you can easily take a screenshot. Besides that, we can use 3 fingers, and we can slide from the top towards the bottom, just like that, in order to capture a full screenshot as well. Now, both of these options, so the gesture and the power button and volume down button shortcut, both of these options can be disabled in the settings. So if one of these do not work for you, you want to open settings and scroll down and choose additional settings. And here you want to go to the gesture shortcuts. Then in here we have the take a screenshot. And then you just want to make sure that slide 3 fingers down is enabled if you want to use 3 fingers to slide down to take a screenshot. And there is also the power button and volume down button shortcut. Now, besides that, in the gesture shortcuts, we have double tap fingerprint sensor, which can be set to take a screenshot. So in this case, now you can double tap the power button. This is where we have the fingerprint sensor, of course. You don't have to press it, you just have to touch it. So we tap twice. Let's try again. And then we should be able to take a screenshot. There we go. Not only that, if we go to accessibility settings in additional settings, over here we have accessibility menu, and we can enable the accessibility menu shortcut. Tap on allow and then got it, in order to then use this person icon. This allows you to find the screenshot option in here. And last but not least, you can go to the control center and you can find a screenshot option in there as well. So in my case, I have this scissors button. If I tap on it, the control center hides and the phone takes the full screenshot. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.